add them. It was in a bunch, but we cut it into two so that it will be easy for the palm fruit to be coming out from the chaff. That's why we cut it into two like this. If you watch it now, you see how I cut this one. Cut it into two so that if you're bringing it out, it will be the palm fruit will be easy coming out from the bunch. Let me show you where they are. Let me show you how they are bringing the palm fruit out from the bunch. So this is how they are bringing. They are using the knife to be bringing it out. So that the palm fruit will be coming out. Like this. See how easy it is. Assuming they didn't cut it into two, it has now been easy coming out like this. Oh, this is how they are bringing it out. So see where they are picking it. This is the one in the basin. I have now selected this one. So this is how they are selecting it in this thing so that it will be easy. See how the chaff is coming down. This thing is making it very easy so that the chaff will be coming down from it. See the chaff? Chaff is coming down now. This thing used to make it very, very easy. Because assuming they are selecting it with hands, we will stay here till evening. But this now we make it very, very easy. This now we make it very, very easy so that we won't stay too much longer here. If assuming we will finish it by 6, with this thing they will not finish it by 3 or 2. So see how they're doing it. So the chaff will be coming down. So that's how they're doing it. This one is almost finished, so they will soon pack it out. See where they're packing it out. Inside the vessel, but I'll pour it inside the pack where they will go and bring the oil out. That will be tomorrow. That is when they'll go and do it. See the fire, that's where they put the fire. So from here now, the hotness will be reaching this one.